purchase time using your phone, you must have the SentryMobile application installed. To install the app, go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and search for SentryMobile. Install the application and open it to continue. Once you've launched the application, you'll need to register as a mobile user to log in. Select the register option from the home login screen and fill in the necessary information. Now that you've registered your mobile account, you'll need to add a license plate to purchase time for. You can add one or multiple plates from the Account tab by selecting Add next to License Plates. As you add plates to your account, you'll see them being populated in your plate list. After adding your desired license plate information, you'll need to make funds available to purchase time with. You may do this from the Account tab by selecting Add Money. Select the amount you would like to add to your account and provide the necessary credit card information as a form of payment. Now that you have license plate information and funds associated to your account, the last piece of info you'll need to add is your mobile phone number. This is to receive text message alerts and reminders about your parking session, if desired. After adding your phone number, select the ellipsis on the top right of the screen and select Notification Preferences. This screen will allow you to manage what kind of alerts you will receive and where and how you'll receive them. Now that you have populated all the necessary information, you are all set to enroll in Concierge AutoPay. To enroll in AutoPay, toggle the AutoPay option on, and you will be prompted with the user agreement. Confirm you have read through the agreement to complete your enrollment. If you have successfully enrolled in AutoPay, plates tied to your account will show as active. You will also see the date you enrolled in AutoPay confirmed. Active plates receive automatic payments up to the maximum purchasable time that can be reviewed directly from SentryMobile.